Hey yo YouTube, what's up? This is my solution for the skill assessment of the password attacks module on Hack the Box. It's gonna be fun, I know, because this module has been a ride. So let's just dive into it. They tell us there is this Betty Jade with this password right here that we can exploit, and we have 4 machines. Okay, let's connect through the VPN. So let's use username anarchy for creating the list for Betty Jade. We're gonna call it okay.list. So we got this, and now we're just password spraying this possible list of users with the password on the protocol for the IP given. And yeah, we got a hit. JBetty. So let's just straight connect to her. JBetty. And oh yeah, the password is this one. And yeah, what are we doing now? Let's go through the history. Oh yeah, we got some history right here. Let's see if we can find something interesting. Oh, what is this? SSH password dealer screwed, and that's the SSH username at file01. Okay, let's check for the nicks if config on this machine. So this is the IP we're reaching, but we cannot reach this from our machine. So let's create a tunnel. So this Texas, and yeah, we're connected. And now let me just check for the etc. How is that called? Proxy chains for .conf. We're all set up, so now if we use proxy chain, it's gonna go through that tunnel. Let's just RDP into the first hop. So this is gonna be the proof that our tunnel is actually working. And yeah, indeed it is. You can see there is Wireshark. We can try to sniff the traffic, but what we want to do first is just go through all of the files available in here. Well, we can see there is a file 01. We're trying. All right, so some of the recent files are from file 01. So let's try to reach that. Employee password. All right, employee password old. It's a psafe file, so it's encrypted. I guess we have to decrypt it, or yeah, we have to use John for this. In the SMB client console, let's just list the shares. And we got, yeah, HR. Where do we want to? HR archive. Use HR. And then get archive, and then our file name. Yep, we got it. So now we can crack it. Okay, password txt. We're gonna use pwsafe to John, and then we're gonna use our beloved rocky.txt to crack it. My PC is exploding. And yeah, we got a hit. Michael Jackson. So we have here a password safe 3, so we're gonna hit it, and yeah, so Michael. Open. The master password is Michael Jackson. Yes. So we got 3 domain users: David, Brittini, Tom Sandy. Alright, let's try to log in as B David, always on the 7, and we're gonna give him the Mimikatz, because if it runs, if it goes well, yeah. Alright, we can run Mimikatz with it. let's just check the privilege. Who am I? Group. So might be groups. Yep. And we see that, oh, we're admin. All right, so we can run Mimikatz as we want. In here, Mimikatz, we open this as an administrator, and we go to users. We want to dump some creds. So yeah, let's just run in Mimikatz. Debug. And now we want to dump some useful creds. Logon passwords. All right, Mimikatz gave us the NTLM for Storm that we can use for a pass the hash attack. Let's use netexec for that. And we're gonna run who am I? Yeah, let's try that. And this is targeting the DC, so the .11. Yeah, of course, we're gonna use proxy chain at the beginning. Proxy chains. Otherwise, it doesn't know where to go. Okay, looks good. Beyond. Nice. Nice. That's it. So yeah, we're on the DC. I'm curious, who am I there? Groups. Can we run that? Who is Stomp on the DC? So Stomp is, yeah, it's in the main admins. We can use him. Without the X, we're just gonna say, just gonna use NTDS util for this. Let's see how it goes. Should grab it for us. Yeah, dumping the NTDS, this could take a while. So grab a Red Bull. I'm just gonna smell this Vietnamese shit for a while until it dumps all the NTDS. That's it, we got it. This is our answer. So we're the boss of the domain. Thank you for watching, guys.